Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Juke. In this video I'll show you how to perform emission test via OBD sensor. In the beginning, make sure that your OBD sensor is connected to the car and go to Car Scanner app. I personally use Car Scanner because it has most downloads. Next, in the app, connect your OBD to the smartphone. And now, go to emission test. Here you can check misfire, fuel system, components, catalyst, heated catalyst, evaporative system, secondary air system, AC refrigerant, oxygen sensor heater, EGR system, and current drive cycle status for same systems. You can also learn about emission test. When certain conditions are met, these ECU tests are the components associated with the environment. The value test passed means the correct operation of the component. The value test not passed can mean both the component's malfunctioning and the fact that the conditions for testing the component have not yet been reached. It is for the reason that in the section of the test of the current driving cycle, you can see the results not passed, as the conditions for carrying out the test in the current drive cycle have not yet come. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.